Welcome to Bountiful Homestead, where we guide you through growing your own food, step by step. Starting seeds indoors. The journey begins with planting seeds in flats filled with a special soil mix designed for seedlings. Make sure each seed is planted at the depth recommended on its packet. Place the flats in a warm area and ensure they receive plenty of indirect light. Water the soil to keep it consistently moist but not waterlogged. This environment encourages the seeds to germinate and sprout. Transitioning to the greenhouse. Once your seedlings have sprouted and grown a few sets of true leaves, it's time to prepare them for outdoor life. This process, called hardening off, involves gradually exposing the plants to outside conditions. Start by placing them in a sheltered outdoor area for a few hours each day, gradually increasing their time outside over a week. Then, move the seedlings to a greenhouse, where you can control the environment more closely. Keep an eye on temperature, aiming for a consistent warmth that doesn't fluctuate too drastically, and ensure they get adequate sunlight. Planting in the garden. When your plants are sturdy and the outdoor temperatures are suitable, it's time to transplant them into the garden. Prepare your garden beds by loosening the soil and enriching it with compost. Carefully remove each plant from its container, trying not to disturb the roots too much, and plant them in the garden at the same depth they were in their pots. Space the plants as recommended for their specific needs. After planting, water them gently but thoroughly to help settle the soil around the roots. Caring for your garden. After transplanting, your plants will need regular care to thrive. Water them deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root growth, rather than shallow watering every day. Apply mulch around the plants to help retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and act quickly if you spot any problems. Depending on the plant type, you may need to provide support with stakes or trellises. Harvesting. The final step is the most rewarding, harvesting. Each type of vegetable has its own signs for when it's ripe, such as size, color, and ease of detachment from the plant. Regularly picking vegetables when they're ready encourages more production. At Bountiful Homestead, we're here to help you succeed at growing your own food, offering detailed advice for every part of the process. Beginners are welcome here, and we aim to provide you with all the knowledge you need to go from seed to harvest confidently. For additional gardening tips and detailed articles, check the link in the description to visit our blog, Bountiful Homestead.